Hi friends, today I'll show you how to fix error code VAL 29 in Valorant. If you're ready, as a first step, type Control Panel into the search bar and open it. Click Uninstall a program. Find Riot Vanguard in the list. Right-click on it and select Uninstall. Click the Yes button. After uninstalling Riot Vanguard, run the Riot client. Click the Valorant icon. Click the Update button and start reinstalling Vanguard. After reinstalling Vanguard, type Firewall and Network Protection in the search bar and open the Firewall settings. Click Allow an app through Firewall. Click Change Settings. Then click the Allow Another App button. Click Browse button. Now you need to navigate to the directory where Riot Vanguard is installed. Follow my steps. First, open the C drive. Then open Program Files. Now find and open the Riot Vanguard file. Click on VGC once and then click the Open button. Finally, click the Add button. I received a warning message because I added it already. You won't have that problem. Finally, find Vanguard in the list and make sure both boxes are checked. Click the OK button and return to the desktop. As a final step, type Command Prompt in the search bar, right-click, and select Run as Administrator. Type ipconfig //flushdns and press Enter. Then type netsh winsock reset and press Enter. Don't forget to restart your computer so that all these changes can take effect properly. I hope this tutorial video on how to fix error code VAL 29 in Valorant was helpful. If it was, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the video. Have a great day!